Rushing past our lives, we are often met with silences. These silences question us. Where are you? Where are you headed? These thoughts rush us back to the journey we believed in as children, to the legends of beauty and royalty. These legends are now stories, stories we wouldn't dare to believe. But they are made of extraordinary moments, filled with discoveries, adventures that lead us to mysteries. The mystery in finding your own reflection by creating these unique moments. Legends are not merely stories. They are journeys beyond the silences. Your extraordinary moments await you.